Today we're animating shadow clones. I'll teach you how to animate shadow clones under 10 minutes in 12 frames per second. Without wasting much time, let's get right into it. Open and name a new project on flipaclip. 12 frames per second is already the default. Sub to the second channel and let's go. To make a shadow clone animation, we first animate the Stickman, then add the smoke effects on it. Let's get right down into the animation, starting with the Stickman. Now the motion is simple. He raises his hands up and jams them together to create clones. Let's use these two grid lines to keep the Stickman height and size consistent. With a suitable pen size, let's get down to business. First, we start off with the rest pose, his two legs spread apart and his arms down. Hey, if you're enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps reach more animators too. For the next frame, draw his hands come up slightly. The main goal is to achieve the hand sign pose. In this frame, we do a close-up of him jamming his arms together. We add in the two clones in this scene. After it's been drawn, copy and paste it, then use the lasso tool to move it up and down to create a little shaky effect. Copy and paste the same drawing to show them as clones. After this, we get right into the smoke effect. For the smoke animation, use a darker shade color and get to drawing. Already, I have a general idea on how I want the smoke motion to be, so it helps the process. Follow along in the smoke animation time-lapse. After the animation has been done, let's add heads. To achieve this, simply increase the pen size, tap once creating a dot, copy and paste the dot created as head on each frame. After the head and everything has been added, we should have this. If you enjoyed that, you can check out this tutorial playlist to learn more or watch this video here on how I add sounds to my animations.